Gender equality is the cornerstone of a fair and just society. It's about ensuring the individuals of all genders have equal opportunities, rights, and recognition, free from discrimination and bias. Achieving gender equality requires dismantling systemic barriers and challenging society norms that perpetuate inequality. It involves empowering women and girls to pursue their aspiration and participate fully in all aspects of life, from education and employment to leadership and decision making. Gender equality benefits everyone, fostering greater social cohesion, economic prosperity, and individual well-being. By promoting gender equality, we create a world where everyone can thrive regardless of their gender identity or expression. Gender equality is not just a matter of fairness, it's a fundamental human right. It's about acknowledging and valuing the diverse contribution and experiences of individuals regardless of their gender. Promoting gender equality involves creating inclusive policies and practices that address the unique challenges faced by the different genders, whether it's in the workplace, education, healthcare, or other areas of society. It requires challenging stereotypes and biases, promoting diversity and inclusion, and advocating for equal opportunities and treatment for all. Gender equality is not a distant goal but a continuous journey that requires ongoing commitment and action from individuals, communities, and institutions to create a more equitable and just world for everyone.